Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we see the division of fraction. Okay, so we completed the first part, that is fraction. Today we start the second part of the chapter, that is decimal numbers. Okay, so decimal numbers means, so this is your number. What is the number? 347. Okay, and you know the places of the number. This is ones place, this tens place, and this is hundred place. Okay, these are the places. Means 3 at 100 place means 300. This is expanded form. Okay, 4 tens place means 40, and 7 at ones place means 7 as it is. Okay, so place value of 7 is 7, place value of 4 is 40, and place value of 3 is 300, means 3 hundreds. Okay, now we see the place value of a digit decreasing to its 1/10 as we move from left to right. Okay, see here. Now we move from राइट फ्रॉम वंस प्लेस. अभी हमें कहाँ जाना है? दिस साइड, राइट साइड ऑफ द वंस प्लेस. ओके, सो सी हियर विच आर द प्लेसेस हियर. So see here, this is table. This is ones place, tens place, hundred place. Now we move to right side of the ones place. Okay, so here we put a one decimal point. Then the next place is 10 place, 100 place, and 1000 place. So ones place means we write here 1. Tens place we write here 10, and 100 place we write here 100. Okay, so now 10 place means 1 upon 10. See here, THS, this is in fraction. 1/10, then 100. Okay, and this is 1000. These are the places. Okay, this is the place value chart for decimal number. Now we see here the digit to the right of the ones place are separated using decimal point. Suppose you take a number. Now you know this number 347.51. Okay, this is your number. Now you write this number in place value chart. How to write here? See here. Now you know the places here. 100 place is 3. This is 300. Then 40, and this is 7. Okay, and fifth means after decimal point, first place is 10th place. So 10th place means 5 upon 10. Okay, next 1 place. 100 place means 1. 1 upon 100. Okay, we put this value in place value chart like this. Now suppose see we take one more example here. Suppose we write the number 443.321. Okay, first we see how to read the number. So we read the number 243. We read the number as it is. Okay, आपको पता है ones place, tens place, 100 place. So we read the number 243 point. This is 0.321. Okay, after decimal point you read all the digit separately. Okay, आपका number, what is the number name? 243.321. Okay, in this way we read this number. Suppose next number is this is 4331. We read as it is. But after decimal point, see here 4331.21. Okay, so you read this number in this way. So we write the number here, we write the places in place value chart. This is 4000 place, so we write 4 in 1000 place, 300, 3 tens, and 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then this is 10th place, so we write here 2, and 100 place we write here 1. Okay, suppose 243. 2 in 100 place, 4 in tens place, and 3 at ones place. Then this is decimal point. Then 3 at tens place, 2 at ones 100 place, and 1 at 1000 place. Okay, in this way we put the value in place value chart. Okay, so this is your table decimal place value chart for decimal number. Now see here. So we see here. This is what is meant by 10th place. Okay, after decimal point we write the 10th place. Okay, 10th place means 1 when 1 is divided into 10 equal part, each part is called 1/10. You know the fraction 1/10 means? Out of 1 is divided into 10 equal part, then one part is called 1/10. Okay, so we write in fraction like this 1/10. And in decimal point, how to write here? So we write here, this, suppose these are 10 box, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 10 equal part. So one part is color, and this one completely divided into 10 equal part, and one part, each one part is called 1/10. And in decimal point, how to write here? How many zeros are here? Only 1 0. So we put the 1 0, this one we write as it is, and put point before 1. Okay, so here is no number, so you have to write here 1. So 1 0 after point, here is 1 0, so we write here after point 1 number. Okay, remember this 1 0 means 1 number. This is for 10th place, point 1. Then 100 place means, so when one whole is divided into 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal part, each part is called as 100. Okay, now 1/10 is divided into 10 equal part, so each part is called as 100. Okay, so here suppose these are, we write, this is square and total boxes. Okay, this 10 sleeping line and 10 standing line here. Okay, so one part of each is called 100. Okay, these total box are 100. Okay, out of 100, one part is color, so each one part is called as 100. So 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal part, then each part is called as 100. So here we write this one as it is. तो आपको यहाँ पे कितने जीरो है? हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर हियर? 2 0. सो यहाँ पे आपको कितने नंबर चाहिए? बिफोर पॉइंट 2 नंबर चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे नंबर नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर 1 more 0 before 1 and put the point. And after that, left side here is no number, so you have to add 0 as it is. Okay, so we get the number 0.01. This is for 100 place. Now when 100 is divided into 10 equal part, then each part is called 100. How to write 100? 1000. See, 1000 like this. Now how many zeros are here? 1 2 3. So this is 1 is here, 1 आपके पास है, लेकिन 2 more आपको 2 और नंबर चाहिए. So you have to write here 1 0 2 0. So here are 3 0 and 3 number. Now you have to put the point, and before that you have to write 1 0. So we get the answer 0.001. Okay, this is for 1000 place. Now see here. Now you understand this. 10th place is greater than 100 place, and 100 place is greater than 1000 place. Means when we move from right side, then the value of the number is decreases. Okay, so 10th place is greater than 100 place, and 100 place is greater than 1000 place. So we solve the question number 1 from your exercise 2.5. Which is greater? Okay, so we find here which is greater. This is your first question. See here, first number is 0.5 or 0.05. So see here, 0.5 after decimal point, here is the 5 at the 10th place. Okay, and this 5 as 100 place, 10th place, 100 place. So the 100 place is smaller than 10th place. So here at 10th place is 0 and here 10th place is 5. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Then next number is 0.7 or 0.5. Again, after decimal point, here is 7. 10th place is 7 and 10th place is 5. Which is greater here? 0.7 is greater than 0.5 because here 10th place is 5 and here 10th place is 7. Then next is, suppose we take a next number 7 or 0.7. So here 7 which place here? Ones place, because यहाँ पे कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर नहीं है. So 7 at ones place, right, left side of the decimal number. Okay, यहाँ पे आएगा ones, tens, 100. Then here are decimal point. This is decimal number. So this one's at this number and this is 10th place, means after point. So which is greater number here? So left side number greater and right side number are smaller. So left side is greater than right side. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Then next, suppose take a number. We take the number 5. Okay, 5 number is 2.03 or 2.30. So both are decimal number. So here 2 ones place is same. Then here is decimal point, decimal point. After decimal point, here 10th place is 0 and here 10th place is 3. So which is greater number here? So 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the question number 1 in your notebook. Now see, question number 2 is, okay, we see the question number 2 in next session. Okay, so today you have to write the place value chart of the decimal number, and I will give you some example to write the number in place value chart and solve the question number 1 from exercise 2.5 in your notebook. Thank you.